Hey there, and welcome to your grammar video for Unit 4, Purple Listening. In this lesson, we're going to talk about reported speech. Let's get started. A few things you'll need to know to better understand this lesson are grammar tenses like simple present and past continuous, the present and past perfect. You'll also need to know what modal verbs are, as well as subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive adjectives. If you don't know these things, that's all right. Take a moment to pause the video and review them, and then come back. Again, in this lesson, we're going to talk about what reported speech is, as well as how the verb changes in reported speech. Reported speech, or indirect speech, explains what a person said, but doesn't use their exact words. We use words like said or told, indicated, mentioned, or reported to introduce indirect speech. Again, when we use these words, it shows the reader or the listener that we're reporting what someone else said. Here we have two examples. On the left, you can see an example of direct speech. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I won't complain. I'm going to press on. And on the right, we have an example of indirect speech. President Obama said that he didn't have time to feel sorry for himself, that he wouldn't complain, and that he was going to press on. Take a moment to pause the video and see if you can spot some differences between these two statements. Now, you'll have to remember that in reported speech, we need to change the verb, or backshift. In reported speech, we move the verb one tense back from direct speech to indirect speech. You'll also need to keep in mind that there are changes in pronouns. Keep in mind that if the statement is a fact, not an event, you don't need to change the verb. For example, I love pizza. Now, looking at the chart, we have the changes in grammar tense that you'll need to make on the left, an example of direct speech in the middle, and an example of reported or indirect speech on the far right. Looking at the changes, again, present tense goes to past, present progressive goes to past progressive, present perfect goes to past perfect, and past goes to past perfect. For reported speech, it's really important that you remember these back shifts. So take a moment to pause the video, look at the examples, try writing a few of your own. It's also important to keep in mind that in reported speech, some modals will change, but some don't. Remember that even when the modal changes, the base verb is always in base form. Now, looking at the chart, we can see the changes for modals on the far left. In the center, we have direct speech examples, and on the far right, we've changed it to reported or indirect speech. For example, in reported speech, will become would. Can becomes could. May changes to might, and must changes to had to. Take a moment to pause the video and have a look at these examples. You'll also need to remember that modals should, could, might, and ought to are the same in direct and indirect speech. It's also really important to keep in mind how pronouns, possessive adjectives, and time information will change when we go from direct to indirect or reported speech. Again, looking at our chart, we have the changes on the left with examples of direct speech in the center and indirect speech on the right. Take a moment to pause the video and identify how the pronoun, adjectives, and time information has changed when we use reported speech. Now, let's talk about some tips for test success. You'll need to remember the backshifts for verb tenses. Again, we have them listed here and on a previous slide. You'll also need to remember which modals change and which don't. You'll also need to keep in mind how time words can change when we go from direct to indirect speech. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video and take a moment to answer all the questions. Once you've finished the questions, hit the play button and we'll talk about your answers. Question 1. Ali, I enjoyed eating pizza in Italy last summer. Here we have the past tense verb. We know we'll need to backshift the past tense to past perfect. So C, had enjoyed, is the correct answer to form reported speech. Question 2. Fatima, I am reading the final Harry Potter book. Here we have the present progressive in direct speech, so we'll need to use the past progressive for reported speech. So D, she was reading, is the correct answer. Question 3. Mohammed, many students aren't able to find a job when they graduate. Here we have the present tense verb, so we'll need to backshift to the past, and B, weren't, is the correct answer. Question 4. Zainab, I always spend time with my family on the weekends. Zainab said that she always spent time with her family on the weekends. D is the correct answer. Question 5. Mr. Hytham, you must visit the English lounge if you want to succeed. Again, here we have a modal, so we'll need to change the modal from must to had to. So A is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope you thought it was useful. Class dismissed.